Hi there, welcome to Portugal. We're in Albufeira at the moment. Been here a couple of days. Haven't really done anything of note, so haven't really been using the camera much. But today, going out on a boat in a bit, on a rib ride. Let's go look at some of the caves along the water's edge. I'll take the camera along. You can have a look, see what you think of the place. Where are we at the moment, by the way? We're staying in a nice apartment, hotel apartment, Sarah Mar Garden Hotel Apartments. Give you a tour of that later on, I think. Put that in a separate film you can watch if anyone wants to know what the rooms are like in this place or thinking of coming here. But we're up on the 6th floor. Here's a view. So the pool down there is our pool. That's the old town. It's about a 10-minute walk down the hill with some steps to get into the old town where you got the square and restaurants and the bars and all that sort of place. So it's enough of me talking. I'll show you a bit of the coastline now, and then later we'll pick up again when we get to the rib down in the marina. Catch you later.
boat. That boat looks like an alien.
So we've just got off the boat after doing our 2.5 hour ride, looking for dolphins and looking at caves. I'll show you some of them.